What's up YouTube? It's your girl Spechel Nicole and we are back with another YouTube video. Today, you can see the faces beat, but we missing something, right? Hair is just here, lips blank. So today is going to be a lock and lip style video. Cause y'all always in the comments, what lip is that? What lip is that? I'm gonna show you today. We're gonna go through some of my favorite lipstick combos for fall, and I'm gonna give y'all a few of my current favorite lock hairstyles since my hair has grown a little bit. So let's get into it. First, let's do something to this hair. We are rocking a about 2-3 day old twist out. So we got volume, we got length, we got stretch, edges laid, but she needs to do something. So lately I have been enjoying half up, half down hairstyles. So we'll do one of those first. So I think we're gonna just do middle half up, half down. So I'm gonna take just the middle section. Now get it up into a little pony and fluff. Look, my hair too tall to fit into the camera, and I have been enjoying wrapping my hair around to try to get that little stacked look. It doesn't work all the time though. Let's see. So this is the first style. Let me raise you up a little bit. So she a little wild, but that's okay. Simple. Alright, now what lip are we going to wear? I think this calls for, since it's an edgy look, we need an edgy lip, so we're going to take it dark. First combo. You can't even see. This is probably expired, but it's okay. It's okay. She from the hair store. This is from a brand called CV Empire. So we're going to start and outline my lips with this darker shade. We're going to do an ombre look. Outline your lips. With your darker shade first. And it's okay if it ends up covering up your entire center. That's fine, because you're going to go over it with your lighter shade. So this is kind of like a light mauve-y, purplish, light purple color. And we are done. I love a dark lip. Like, love it. Alright, that is look number 1 down. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, hair is down, lip is off. It's hard to wipe all of it off, but it's off. Now we need another look. Let's see. Another style I have been enjoying has been side part styles. So what I'm going to do is, I think I'm gonna twist these, everything to the side. So I'm gonna twist, or I guess it's like a tuck and roll. So once I get to the back here, I'm going to pin the twist so that everything falls to the side. And I'm going to try to fix my hair over the twist so it's kind of tucked under, and then we will fluff out this side. And I think y'all saw me with this look in one of my last videos, but it's a simple, easy kind of do where it's not too much manipulation going on and it's still giving you a cute little dainty look. So it can be used formal wear probably if you have to dress up, date night, or just if you want to have something different going on. So what we're going to pair a pink lip with this look. It's one of my most commented on lips from my videos. It is a red and a pink combo. So sadly, the lip that I actually used with this combo, I lost, or either the package broke, one of the two. So I'm improvising with a different shade. Again, same thing, taking the ombre and outlining. And with any lip combo, you can add a gloss over the top if you want sheen. Most of these are going to be matte combo. Actually, all of them are going to be matte combos. Now we're going to go in the center with this hot pink. Alright, moving on to the next look. So for hair, we're going to go back to another half up, half down style, because I told y'all that is what I am enjoying. So I'm just going to grab a few locks. I'm keeping the bang down. Y'all probably have seen this look before. Hey, this is how I wear my hair. So I'm gonna get this in a pony. Alright, so from here, let me loosen some up. We are going to do a little top knot bun. Alright, so this will stay how I want it. So we have bang, bun, and half down. Alright, now let's do the lips. Alright, so the combo I'm going to use is using that same burgundy with this lighter pink shade in the center. So I'm bringing it down again. Boom. So I like this because it feels like a sunset on my lips. It's just so nice and subtle of a transition. What y'all think? We feeling it? Alright, let's move on. Alright, so I want to give y'all one more hairstyle and lip combo for you to try. So this is gonna be kind of a, it might be considered half up, half down. So I'm going to put my middle part back. Is this the middle part? I think so. And I'm going to twist part of the section. I hardly ever worry about having straight parts. I just try to make sure it's even at least. I think I want this in the twist. And then I'm going to pin this section. And then I'm going to take this one, do the same thing. Alright, and then I'm going to just fluff out my hair. This is kind of just a more of a sleek look. Not included in this tutorial is my beloved ponytail, because I have been rocking her since I found out my hair could get in a ponytail. Me and her are BFFs, but this is kind of a sleek look. If you don't want to put your hair in a ponytail, you kind of can still give the illusion of sleekness with your locks. So the lip we're going to do with this, I want to do something a little more romantic and sexy. So we're going to do a red lip, red ombre lip. I would use a lip liner, but I can't find one, so I'm going with this black. Don't be afraid. I'm going to go with the black. Alright, this is the final look with the red. It's a little messy because I should have used a lip liner instead of the black lipstick, but I couldn't find mine, so I was improvising. This is the look. It gives that like 90s romantic kind of vibes. What was your favorite one? I know mine was the first one, but what was yours? So these are a few of my favorite lip combos that I will turn to, especially in the fall time, especially for a date night. So drop your favorite one down in the comments, and then let me know which hairstyle, which lip combo you liked the most, and also let me know what kind of video you want to see next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.